Struggling with constant hunger while trying to lose weight? You're not alone. The biggest challenge most people face isn't just eating less, it's dealing with cravings. But what if I told you there are natural foods and ingredients that can help you feel full longer and curb those urges, without starving yourself? In this video, I'm revealing 7 science-backed, natural appetite suppressants that actually work, and some of them might already be in your kitchen. Let's jump straight into the list, and stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can help you control your appetite without changing what you eat. 1. High-fiber foods. The fullness factor fiber slows down digestion and keeps your stomach fuller for longer. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, lentils, oats, and leafy greens are excellent choices. Just adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie can make a huge difference in how much you snack throughout the day. 2. Healthy fats. Don't fear fat. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil contain monounsaturated fats that help suppress hunger hormones. Unlike carbs that spike and crash your energy, fats provide long-lasting energy and keep you satisfied. A few almonds between meals can curb your appetite without piling on the pounds. 3. Apples and other water-rich fruits. Apples are rich in fiber and water, a perfect combination to make you feel full. Studies show that eating a whole apple before a meal can reduce overall calorie intake. Other good options: watermelon, oranges, and pears. 4. Apple cider vinegar. A tummy trick. This old-school remedy might help regulate blood sugar and slow stomach emptying. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in water before meals may help reduce cravings. Bonus: it may also support digestion. 5. Water. The most overlooked appetite suppressant. Sometimes what feels like hunger is actually dehydration. Drinking a glass of water before meals helps you eat less, plus, it's calorie-free and supports digestion. Add lemon or mint if you need flavor. 6. Mindful eating. Train your brain. This one isn't a food, it's a habit. When you eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and avoid distractions like screens, your brain has time to register fullness. Most people overeat simply because they rush. 7. Green tea or coffee. Appetite control with benefits. Both green tea and black coffee can help suppress hunger naturally due to caffeine and antioxidants like EGCG. Just don't overdo the sugar or cream. Go black or add a splash of unsweetened almond milk. Bonus tip: protein with every meal. Whether it's plant-based or animal-based, protein is the most filling macronutrient. Include lentils, Greek yogurt, tofu, eggs, or lean meats in every meal. It reduces the hunger hormone ghrelin and keeps you full longer. If you want to boost your fat loss results naturally, try combining these appetite control strategies with a step-by-step diet plan that actually works. Click the link in the description to access a proven fat loss system that's changing lives. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real, no-fad weight loss tips.